Number 7. DJI Phantom 3 Drone. While this isn't the only drone to be adopted by farmers, it's definitely one of the most popular, as it's durable, long-lasting, and easy to use. This quadcopter's been adopted by the agricultural industry mostly because it allows anyone in the business to get a perfect bird's-eye view of their property and keep track of everything that's going on with absolute ease. The ability to get a solid overview of just about anything happening on the ground is vitally important to farmers, especially those who own a lot of property. It also allows them to save a ton of time by letting them check on their operation without having to take a stroll around the property themselves. This is immensely useful, and it seems that the use of drones is gearing up in a big way these days. We never expected we'd be able to claim that drones had a use as agricultural vehicles, but it seems that the future is fast approaching us, with all sorts of awesome tech making all aspects of our lives much easier in the long run. Number 6. Krone Swadro TC880 plus Rotary Rake. Rotary rakes are pretty crazy looking contraptions, and the Krone Swadro TC880 Plus is one of the heavy hitters. It's an amazingly tough, gritty, and durable vehicle that's more than capable of putting up with whatever task you need it for, regardless of conditions. Whether you're looking at a field that's already ready to go or is still a little rough around the edges, the Swadro TC880 Plus is able to tackle your job without missing a beat. It can keep on trucking over rough patches, such as fields covered in potholes and strewn with debris that would end up causing issues with most other rotary rakes. Krone is a well-known company and seems to be improving itself each and every year. Being one of their newest rakes, this engineering marvel allows for easy repairs and has even ensured that vibrations are kept to a minimum, leading to less stress and a longer lifespan. Number 5. Massey Ferguson 7615 Dyna 6 Tractor. The Dyna 6 is an award-winning tractor from Massey Ferguson's wildly popular 7600 series and was rated the best value for money in a tractor under $140,000. That might seem like a lot of money, but agricultural vehicles are notoriously expensive, making this tractor a relative steal. It's packed with all sorts of extra features and is pretty much ready and able to tackle any job you happen to throw at it. It boasts a 150 horsepower, 6-cylinder, 4-valve turbocharged engine, which is nothing to laugh at, along with a 24-speed user-friendly transmission. Even the cab is luxurious and comfortable, which is always a happy bonus. It's a lot of tractor for the price tag, and it ended up winning a further 6 awards, showcasing just how impressive it is. Number 4. Yamaha Viking. The Viking is a vehicle that lets you tackle any tough job without too much fuss, and is also capable of being amazingly fun at the same time. It's one hell of a beast, with a 686cc liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine, which is a ton of power. It's not quite able to tackle the really big jobs, but is immensely handy to have around in order to tour around the property or tackle any number of smaller jobs that don't require any kind of special machinery. It's built to last and is lightweight, leading to an increased responsiveness and much less vibration. No matter what task you need to accomplish, the Yamaha Viking is the perfect vehicle for any job and will be a great addition to any agricultural fleet. Number 3. Argocat Avenger 8x8 700 HD. Looking more like something you'd expect to see operating on the front lines of a war, the Argocat Avenger 8x8 is an amphibious all-terrain vehicle that will never stop working for you. It's incredibly powerful and durable, putting up with whatever life throws at it, laughing at obstacles that would wreck any other vehicle in its place. It can take on ice, mud, and snow, fording streams like they're mere puddles. It has a 747cc engine that's capable of taking on loads of 1,150 pounds on land and 1,000 pounds on water, including up to 6 passengers without breaking a sweat. Number 2. Big Bud 747. The Big Bud is known as the world's largest farming tractor and is a beast of a vehicle by any definition. It dwarfs pretty much every other tractor out there, coming in at twice the size of most of its closest competitors. The wheels themselves are 8 full feet in diameter, and the entire thing weighs well over 100,000 pounds with a full tank of gas and a full ballast. It isn't the fastest tractor out there, but it doesn't need to be, as it's built for sheer power instead of top speed. Still, it does have an 1100 horsepower, 16-cylinder, 2-cycle engine that also includes 2 turbochargers and 2 superchargers, which is just nuts. Number 1. Case IH Autonomous Concept Vehicle. This was bound to happen eventually, with Case IH coming out with a concept tractor that's completely driverless, which is a pretty cool idea as far as we're concerned. Autonomous vehicles really are the way of the future, and it's impressive that a company known for manufacturing agricultural vehicles has seen the benefits of adopting the tech this early. The tractors will be made available to Australia and New Zealand first, but it's expected that they'll eventually ship all over the world, allowing farmers everywhere to kick back, relax, and focus on more pressing matters while they let their tractor take care of everything that it needs to. This Autonomous Concept Vehicle, or ACV as the company's calling it, is well into development, and a few have already been put together to show off their abilities, although they aren't currently fully functioning or completely bug tested. We suspect that the ACV is still a little ways away from being made available to consumers, but we really can't wait to see what Case IH is able to pull off, as this could really make a difference in the way we use agricultural vehicles in the future. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you next time.